Hey everybody, it's Sarah Naylor here. I'm going to help you nail it in your beauty business. This week I had a mentoring call with a girl and she set up her own salon, basically renting a chair within a salon. And one of the things I told her to do was create a flyer on Canva, print it on vistaprint and start delivering it to local areas, right? So if you click on canva.com, so it's Canva, canva.com, I'm going to log into mine here and I'm going to show you how easy it is and all of the things that you need to do to basically get that flyer printed really fast and really cheaply. So if I click on create, over on the left hand side we have create. I'll click on create and then they have all of these templates. So you'll see here, I'm going to go across, I'm going to look for a flyer, or you can just type up here and type in flyer, but I'm going to click on flyer and now it's going to bring me up a page where I can create my flyer. I'll just accept the cookies here, and if over on the right hand side I can click on design, or sorry, on the left hand side, so up here I'm going to click on design and I'm going to click where it says describe your ideal design. I'm going to type in salon flyer. And here it's going to give me all these templates of different designs that are already made that I can choose any of them that I like the look of, that's similar to what I want to portray, and I can edit it and make it with all my information. So let's pick on this pink one, right? So now here's the flyer. I can edit all of this. I can change the picture. I can change the text. I can change the website address, anything. I can change all of it. So if I click where the website address is, if I double click, I can type in my website address. So I'll just go www.sarahnayloracademy.ie. And once I've typed in what I want, I just click anywhere else on the page. But see now the way the E is gone down underneath. I need to extend this or reduce the size of the font. So if I click on the white line and drag, it makes it longer. Or if I want to reduce the size of the text up on this top line here, I can change the font size to be smaller. So you'll see it's changing down here. I can change the colour of the font to be any of these colours here. Well, let's pick blue. So you'll see it's all of the changes are happening here with the colour, the font here, the size of the font, the bold, italic, underline, the centering of the font. If I want bullets, all of that I change on this top line, or any of the colours I want to change here. If I wanted to change all of the text on the page to be blue, I could click on change all and it'll change all of the text to blue. So you decide what designs you like. Even though this is the template, I can change all of that. I can delete this drawing out if I want. So I click on the drawing that I want to delete and I'll just send it to the bin. If I want to change this photograph to be something else, something that I've created myself, I can click there, and over on the left hand side I can upload my own photographs, or I can choose photographs that are already on Canva. So on the left hand side, if I click on photos, Canva already has lots of different photos, but up here I want to choose one that I want. So maybe it's a brow salon, okay? So I'll type in brows and click enter, and now it's going to give me all of these photographs of all the different professional photographs that are there that I can choose. So I've chosen this one and I just want to drag it over to where the hairdressing photograph was, and now it's populated that area. Okay, now if I want to change this from beauty salon to brow salon, I'll just double click and I can delete off beauty and type in brow. The same with all of these. I can delete whatever I don't like. I can change this pink colour to a different colour. So if I click where it's pink, up on this top line, I can, where the pink colour is, I can change it now, and over on the left hand side, all the colours will appear. So you choose what is your brand colours. If you want to tell them to contact you by telephone number and there's no space here for it, you come over to the left hand side here, click on text, and you can add a text box. So add a text box. It'll just appear on the page, and if you want to drag that text box to anywhere, this plus sign here will allow you drag and position that text box to anywhere on the page, and then you just click in the text box and add in your telephone number. 086 8651 681. Okay, so once you're happy with your flyer, and here's the thing about flyers, okay? People don't know about your business. Even if you've been there for 20 years, they might not know about your business. Your salon could be in the middle of a housing estate that they don't ever have to drive into. So they don't know that you're there, but you're literally around the corner from them. So printing out flyers and delivering it to their letterboxes. Or what I told the girl to do the other day was go onto On Post and ask On Post to deliver the flyers with the post to the people. Now, you have to pay for that service, but it is a service that's there for you so that you don't have to go around and knock on people's door and put the flyers in. Or she could go to other businesses in the area, like coffee shops, and ask them to take her flyers and put them on their counter and give them out to their customers coming in, and then they'll know where to go. Okay, so in this I haven't put on the address, but you would definitely be putting the address on. If you wanted to add a page and have the prices on the back, over on you would add a page down the bottom, and over here you'll go where the text is. We've got like, I have a text line here, right? So this is about espressos, but we literally will change espresso to browse, and then we can change this to lamination, and we can put in the price €65, because I hope you're all charging the right amount of money, because if you don't charge the right amount of money, your business won't be able to grow. Once you're happy, what we're going to do now is we're going to click over here on the right hand side. It says share. If I click on share, what I want to do is actually download the flyer. Now, this is really important because when you're sending it to a printers, it has to be in a format that the printer can accept, right? So we'll click on download. And now we're going to change the file type to PDF print. Okay, so PDF print, because this is the best type for your printer. It'll be easy for them to print it out. It's going to ask you, do you want to print both pages? Yes, I want to print pages 1 and 2. And then the colour profile, I'm going to change this to CMYK because it's best for professional printing. And then here I'm going to click on crop marks and bleed and flatten PDF, because this makes the PDF understandable for the printers. It makes it really easy then for you to upload onto vistaprint and get it printed out. So once I've chosen all them, I'm going to click on download. Now down here it's going to tell me it's saving. It's going to save to my local area on the computer. So I'll show you that. As soon as it takes only a couple of minutes. Like, you can make this as difficult or as easy as you want. You can make it as, like, you can add more photographs, whatever. If you do any changes to this design though, you have to re-download it again. Okay, so now it's gone into my file. So I'll click on Finder and I'll go into my downloads. And here is up here. Now, if I want to go to vistaprint and upload that, I will go back to my Google, add a new tab, and up here I'm going to type in vistaprint. Now, you don't have to use vistaprint. You can use any other printing service. They're just ones that I've used recently, and I understand how to use them. So what I want to do is look up here and search flyer. So type in flyer. And we choose from this what we want. So I'm going to click on flyers and leaflets, and it's like 1,000 at $19.79 including VAT. So that's starting from $19.79. So I'm going to click on that. Now over here is where we start to upload and choose the type of flyers that we want. So I'm going to choose vertical. I'm going to choose the size is going to be A5. I just think that that's the best size for flyers. I'm going to do no fold because it's just going to be a sheet of paper like this. The paper weight, I'm going to go with budget, right? Just because it's easy. The paper stock, if you want it glossy or matte, I'm going to choose glossy. And then the amount that you want. So if I choose 25 flyers, it's €17. If I choose 500 flyers, it's €30. So it's not expensive, lads. And the possibility of you, if you send out 100 flyers, you could possibly get 10 new customers. And if you're charging €60 or €70 per customer, like that is the possibility of you making €700 from that flyer drop, and it's cost you €21 to get them printed, right? So if I choose 100, I'm going to upload my design. So click on upload my design. And now I'm going to upload from my device. I'm going to upload from my computer. I'm going to go to downloads because that's where it was saved to. I'm going to click on the flyer, open. And now Vistaprint is going to check and see, is my flyer okay? And because I saved it as PDF print, because I flattened the PDF, and because I chose the print in CMYK, that's why it makes it really easy for them to do, okay? And then I can go from there and print it for whatever, like 21 quid. It's really, really easy to do. It's not hard. If you don't know how to do this and you're not watching this video or you're not watching it to the end, go to your local enterprise office and ask them for training on Canva. It's available to you. It's more times than not, it's a £5 or it could be €10 or whatever. It's just, I had a call today a call today from a girl asking for help around this. So I said I'd do a live so that she could understand to do it. Also, I'm mentoring girls for the local enterprise office, and these are things that they don't know how to do because they're so busy working within their business that they don't know how to do the stuff that they need to know how to do to work on their business. So if you need any help, reach out to me. I can always put you in the right direction, or I can help you. Just let me know. Anyway, have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow. Bye.